Good evening. I just wanted to pop on and do a super quick video just to update you and announce 3 brand new online sewing classes that I've now got online and ready for you to purchase should you wish. They're all things that you will have seen. Have you watched BTHQ Banter, our weekly behind the scenes vlog of my craft studio? You would have seen me making them and creating them. You all liked them, and so I did exactly what you asked and put them on for you as in-person and online classes. So the first are 2 sustainable sewing classes. We're going to be making produce bags for your fruit and veg whenever you go to the supermarket, to try and stop you from using those clear plastic bags that are always provided. Simply take your mesh produce bag with you, fill it up with all your fruit and veg. It's very lightweight, so it won't weigh anything extra on the scales at the checkout. And then when you come home, if it's a little bit grubby because maybe there's a bit of mud on your potatoes, it is wipe proof and washable. So you can wipe it all out, dry it out, and take it with you next time you shop. Our second product is our reusable paper fabric towels. These are great. They're basically like flannels that all pop together into one big roll. When you want to tear off a sheet of your paper, you simply unpop one of your sheets, use it until it's grubby, and then sling it in the wash. You can make as many of these and clip as many of them together as you like to create a roll, and they're a great way of using up old towels and scrap fabrics. The only new thing that you need is some poppers, but I think that's a very small investment to help save the environment a little bit more. Now the last class is our drawstring backpack class. You get 2 sizes of pattern with this course, a kid's size and an adult size, and you can choose to make your backpacks with either grommets in the bottom corners, or eyelets as we call them here in the UK, or fabric tabs. These are great if you've got kids starting school this year. They make perfect PE bags or backpacks for days out during the summer holidays. All 3 of these classes are available as in-person classes with me in the studio, and they're also available as online courses that you can take with me. The online course will give you a full video tutorial, a written PDF instruction pack, and support from me directly in our Facebook groups. If you choose to take the classes in person with me in the studio, then you will also be given access to the online course content, so you get double bang for your buck. So I hope you've liked finding out a little bit more about some of our courses that are on offer. I will link them all down in the description below, and I will be back with you tomorrow for an episode of BTHQ Banter. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!